following the arrival of EPA mileage appraisals for the 2018 Ford F150 Powerstroke diesel powertrain, our covert operative shooters saw a fascinating plan change on another unexposed Ford F150 limited pickup truck. In spite of the fact that the front of the truck continues as before, the back guard seems to have a double fumes setup incorporated into the back guard. The main other F150 pickup that offers a comparable component is the Ford Raptor, which makes them figure this limited may have a high-yield 3.5-liter EcoBoost beforehand just offered on the Raptor under its hood. We made up for lost time to the 2019 F150 Limited in the city of Dearborn, Michigan. In spite of the fact that Ford discharged an invigorated variant of the Limited in mid-2017 as a 2018 model, we would now be able to affirm that the 2019 model will get an overhauled raised guard with a coordinated double fumes to stay aware of the opposition passage as the remainder of the Detroit 3 to bounce onto the double fumes tip fleeting trend. Slam has had it for some time, and GMC and Chevrolet just presented it on their 2019 half-ton models. The 2019 Limited will keep on being controlled by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 mated to a 10-speed transmission while sitting on aluminum 22-inch wheels, a trademark for the truck.